Hello everybody and welcome to Nordic Hobby Visions. Michael here, and if this is your first time tuning in to this channel, then be warned, this is the place where I do a lot of talking and waffling and babbling and practicing my English. And now also my appearance in front of a camera. If you want to check out a channel without my ugly face and without any talking, check out my Nordic or my main RC channel, Nordic RC Visions, up here. Absolutely no talking up here. So we will be doing a lot of talking today, and as you can see, before we get to the subject of today, the A959, the WLToys A959 Vortex Storm CC Brave Pro series, I am just hanging out here in my new little hobby room. You can check out some previous videos if you want to see some updates about this room. But I'm just sorting out some parts, and I thought I would be trying out a little studio setup here with some lighting. I do not have any proper studio equipment, so this is not a video studio at all, but just a home hobby room. But I have a little beginner studio light over here I can show you in another video. And I keep telling you that I will improve my audio and I will improve my lighting, but so far I have been spending all my time and energy and so on work and family and this new place where we have moved to. And my money, I think, has gone to the spare money I have. The RC budget has gone to RCs, which I am generally more into than buying iPhones or cameras or anything else. So I'm shooting on an old iPhone. It's the same camera as the iPhone 6, which has terrible camera video for the indoor shooting, and especially a terrible microphone. So I'm shooting with a small little lavalier, cheap little lavalier microphone here. I hope to improve the lighting. Let's say that I can't promise anything, but eventually I will get a new camera and some proper studio lighting and even a microphone. But so far and right now I'm spending my money on RCs because that is what I am most passionate about. My RC budget this month and last month again, I've collected into what will be probably my most expensive RTR car so far. More about that later. But the topic of today is the A959. Now, some of you may know that I am a keen Tamiya enthusiast, but I have also fallen in love with some of these cheaper cars. And this one and this one and this one I actually got from Banggood, so you can check the links out here. I was planning as early as in December to do an upgrade series, but I have been too busy and have spent the little spare time I had decorating this room, setting up cars, and maybe going out for a run or two outside with the RCs. So I haven't really been doing much about the upgrade series. I have step 1 in my other channel, Nordic RC Visions, and I was thinking about doing some companion videos for the new series, which I am about to start right now. So you can sort of look at this video as a companion to the first video I did. I think it was in January, and I will be doing the real steps with the real upgrades. In step 1 I mainly just got the RC cars. That is an important step if you want to upgrade them. And yeah, so I will talk a little about these A959 series. And I have actually postponed the series again, the upgrade series, because I'm waiting for another A969, the short course truck version, and the A979. I previously had a A959-B version, which I do not have anymore. But I'm waiting for those two models to arrive from Banggood, because I also wanted to show that these basic upgrades that I will start with, these can be used for the A969 and in the A979. And for these starter upgrades, they can be used for the B versions and the A versions as well. Let's just go through these cars quickly. If you do not want me to explain it, you can check out the first step 1 in my main RC channel, where there is absolutely no talking, just a little text here and there. But I just wanted to do a sort of more easy, comprehensible introduction to these cars. So far, I think I will focus my upgrades on this one. Technically speaking, this isn't an A959. This is a Too Fast Too Fun, not a WLToys, and it's a Magma buggy. But basically it's a rebranded A959. There are others available in other parts of the world. This was, I think, intended for the European market, and there's also, I've just seen one that's available in the States and Canada. It's basically the same car as the Vortex series here, the A959. These are just two identical cars with different body designs, different colors, and the A959A and the A959B. But this is basically identical to the old versions of the standard A959. So basically it's the same model, just with a different body design. So this one got the Too Fast Too Fun Magma buggy design with the purple color scheme and everything. Kinda nice, though I must say I prefer maybe the blue one. I think I will focus the first upgrades on this one, keeping the Vortex series standard and stock, so I can compare them both visually and parts wise, but also outside running. But the basic upgrades I'm going to do in the start is compatible with all these cars, and where it differs I will definitely show you where it differs with the A959B. I have the parts ready for this one also, and I will show you, so you can use it for any car you like in this series. So the A959, the A969, the A979, and some of the upgrades you can definitely use for the B versions as well. The A949, which is probably the most obscure one of them all. I have no idea if you can use them. I have never seen one up close. I have never owned one, but I suspect it's a kind of rally car with a rally body, and I may have suspicion that the A-arms and such is a bit more narrow on that one. But gear-wise and everything, all buggies and short course trucks and monster trucks are identical as far as I know. So we will be upgrading this Magma buggy. This is the oldest I have of them all, so it also deserves some attention from me and from the upgrade series. I got a couple of basic upgrades ready, and if anyone is actually watching, I will do some more. Got some diff houses and some spur gears for the A959 and the A959B. Got some ball bearings. I will show you the different ball bearings. You actually have an option of 3 different sizes. Some diff cups, which are needed for the A959 standard versions, not the B version. And we got a load of differential gears and bevel gears and spider gears and ring gears here. Some aluminum parts. I don't think I will be upgrading anything aluminum alloy wise. Not yet, but someday probably. If anybody is actually watching it. It will be a step-by-step upgrade, so I will try to show you as carefully as I can what you need to do with each part and not just mingle it all together in a quick video. So I will show you very carefully each step up close in a tabletop shoot fashion video. About the differences, you may know that maybe I should just remove the body shells. Just a moment. Let me get these out of the way. I will try to do some close-ups too of these, but as you can see, there is practically no difference with the Magma, the A959 and the A959A. Of course, you can see the B version is the crazy fast version with the higher gearing, a 27 tooth pinion gear and the 540 motor. Now, everybody who's doing any videos with these often get asked, do I prefer the A959 standard, the A959A, if somebody knows this, or the B version. For crazy fast fun, this is definitely the way to go. I've had it up to 59 kilometers an hour. Not quite the 70 kilometers an hour which is specified, but the channels that I do know and trust gain approximately the same speed, about 60 kph. So this is for crazy fun, and yes, uncontrollable crazy fun, because it really has a mind of its own. It starts go left or right very easily without you touching anything. So crazy fast fun, the A959B version. If you want a small vehicle, slower, this is the option, the A version. It has the green color scheme, but still pretty different designs. So if you want to go slow, perhaps with your son, your girl, or anything, your daughter, then this is the way to go, because it comes with a lithium ion battery. A 6.4 volt battery, so that makes it approximately 10 kilometers an hour slower than the standard versions with the 390 motor. All these have 390 motors, and the B version has the 540. These are the transmitters which are used for all of these except for the A version, and pretty standard. And I'm not very keen about this button system, because I kind of like the dial system where you can set it and see where you actually are, if you're left or right, or if your throttle trim is reverse or forward or whatever. But they work sweet, and they got the foam rubber wheel, which I think is important. Now this one is the only difference with the A959A version, also a foam rubber wheel, but it got the dials and it also got the throttle dual rate. You can check out the channels with it in my main RC channel. But generally a throttle dual brake, that's a hard English word which I need to practice, allows you to turn down the got flies in here, goddamn. We can turn down the top speed. So if you want to go 10 or 15 kilometers an hour with your 4-year-old son, perhaps, as I have, you can turn it down and let him control it. Otherwise, these are quite identical. One thing is that if you later want to upgrade the A version to a LiPo battery, I don't think, in my experience, this doesn't come with a LiPo cutoff. So you will probably be able to damage your LiPo battery quite easily with the A version. But you can hook up an external, I have one, and cheap external LiPo checker, LiPo alarm, and be safe and set it for the correct amount, perhaps 3.3 or 3.6 per cell. Now this fly is starting to bug me. Okay, the standard version, this is the blue and red version. Nowadays they come with a metal shaft drive. Some of them actually do not come with a metal shaft drive, and I can see that the one I got with the blue shell actually came with a plastic shaft drive. So this is the old version, where this is the new version with the metal drive shaft, center shaft here. The difference is that the drive cups, now these are made of plastic, and this B version has metal drive shafts, so I also got some of those from Banggood again. I'll leave all the links in the videos as we progress. And the new versions also come, or also this one comes with the JST plug, whereas the B version comes with the DIN or Ultra plug or T plug. The Magma also came with a T plug, but otherwise it is pretty much identical to the old version with the plastic drive shaft here. So that's basically it. I have probably forgot something. Please let me know in the comment section. The wheels are pretty much the same, different colors, different paint jobs. Yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions in the comment section, please let me know. I will start cracking on the videos for the upgrade series. I will probably do some of the gears, the differential gears first. I have had absolutely no problems with these whatsoever, not one bit, but I am being kept informed in the comment section of my videos with the A959 that people are experiencing troubles with the gears. They all have the same gears, plastic gears, also the B version. So if you are experiencing any problems with the gears, these are available. Now this will also require some maintenance, because the metal gears, this is not hardened steel, so I'm probably expecting this to be some kind of alloy, aluminum, and this will leave your gearboxes with a lot of metal powder in your grease, and you need to clean them from time to time. Plastic gears do not leave any residue, except if they are of very poor quality, and if they do cause problems, they will probably break altogether. But metal gears are also always an option if you are experiencing any troubles with these. So I managed to do this first video from my studio in one take, and for that I am very proud of, because I was bit scared that this would take all afternoon. But I will get started on the actual upgrade videos, and I will let you know immediately. If you click the notification bell on my channel, either this channel or my main RC channel, you will get notified of each individual video. I will do my best to do it slowly, step by step, and explain everything, and I will also do these companion videos, and I will link them in my main video in my Nordic RC Visions. I will link it to these talk videos where I will be explaining maybe a bit more. That's it, I think, for today. So I will get starting, as I have said a million times now. Please comment if I have forgotten anything, and subscribe to my channel and my main RC channel, Nordic RC Visions, for many more videos and upgrades and talks about the A959. I will see you. Take care.